Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I am walking. Anyway, enough about that. Welcome back to another video of me, the boy. And on today's video, I'm literally gonna go and work on my aunt's car to change the gasket because the mechanic that literally worked on the car did something so hilarious that I will be showing you guys what he did. And basically, since he did that, the car has been having that major exhaust leak. So at the headers. So I'm gonna be changing the gasket and just hopefully that the gasket, I did all my sort of research and stuff to make sure if it is the right type of gasket. I checked it somewhat yesterday before, so now I'm gonna remove it today and see if it's the same. And oh yeah, I'm not recording on the GoPro because like I forgot. So we're gonna record on the phone today. But let's get to it. I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, we are here. This is the car. Oh wait, let me zoom out. This is the car we're gonna be working on today, baby. Let me open this girl up. Don't go. Yes! Where are you? Oh yes. So this is the mill. Yeah, the mechanic, she went to use like a silicone cement type of gasket thing. So I'm gonna be like removing this manifold and removing that and see if the new gasket fits. So I think I might have to pry it, but we'll see. So I'm gonna get to working on this.